Hello guys, welcome back again. Hope everybody is well. So guys, today I'll talk about a new project, new platform. So guys, today I'll talk about Ferox Advisors project, FRX project. So guys, you will see that I am already on the front page of the Ferox Advisors website. So here you can see that the Ferox Advisor website. Here you can see that the Ferocious Alpha. Here you can see that we are a trading advisor company managing derivatives accounts for proprietary trading and external clients with a focus on absolute returns. So guys, FRX is a like project a return and focus on absolute returns system of project. So guys, here you can see that some details about the Ferox Advisors project. Here you can see that some Ferocious Alpha details. Here you can see that manage your accounts, contact us to create a structured managed account and deal with us. Trading derivatives or cryptocurrency as a vote of confidence in our strategic. We typically charge no management fees and only do profit sharing above the high watermark with a highly return profile, where yearly return on equity often suspects or risk by their fault threefold greater. So guys, it's a very good opportunity for the new structure managed account. So guys, it's a very good opportunity for all of the managed new contract managed. So here you can see the private enterprise of the Ferox Advisor project. Here you can join us the private equity partner, where you can either apply to directly become one of our private shareholders, participating in all our future cash flows including cryptocurrency ICOs, or join in our physical trading and other alternative investment ventures on an easy buying cash basis. So it's a very good opportunity for the Ferox Advisors investors. Here you can see that the Ferox news December 14 they are make an announcement about their token listing. Says sex exchange listing confirmed from January 22. So their token will be listed on January 22 in next month. So here you can see that our build up community asked for it, and we are proud to deliver that major actions is coming soon. So their listing price will be 0.09 USDT. So they are telling before that they are listing like a 1 TRX equal to 1 FRX. So guys, their listing price will be the same they are said before. So guys, right now here you can see that the more details about the FRX token. Here you can see that the more details about the FRX tokens, and it's very old news. Here you can see that the more old news from you here FRX token. So guys, if you have any inquiry, you can subscribe them your via your email, and you will get all of the updates in your future about the FRX token. So guys, here you can see that it's a Dubai country's project. Here you can see that Istanbul, Zurich, Dubai. So it's a Istanbul Dubai project. So guys, if you contact them about anything related to Ferox Advisor, will be promptly in touch with you. So guys, if you have any inquiry about this project, you can contact via them here. So guys, FRX token, Ferox token public sale or pre-sale is still ongoing. If you want to participate it, here you can see that FRX pre-sale is live now. Still the pre-sale is live. So guys, if you want to participate in Ferox pre-sale, you can also participate here. So guys, here you can see that Ferox token pre-sale final round is now ongoing. Here you can see that up to 300% based on investment tier. Please send only TRX or USDT of Tron-based FRX for your token purchase. So guys, if you want to purchase this token, you must need a TRC20 based USDT or Tron network. So guys, here you can see that the amount how much you can get and how much you can purchase. So here you can see that up to 1000 USD investment, 1 TRX equal to 3 FRX. Estimate 400 TRX will get 12,000 FRX. If you invest 25,000 TRX here, you will get 82.500 FRX. So guys, right now they are give you 300% bonus from your purchase. So guys, it's a very good chance. I think if you want to purchase, you can purchase this token, because this token will launch in next month, only 1 month left still. So guys, here you can see that after 750,000 USD soft cap is reached, seed round will be complete, and any further investment will be returned to the sending address. In that event, please wait for a new announcement here and on our social media channel for the new rates for IDO and listing. So guys, they are planning to be a launch a IDO. So guys, it's a very good thing, I hope, because this project will be big in future, because they here consider they already raised $750,000. So guys, it's a very good and good for a cryptocurrency token. Here you can see that the tokenomics about the FRX token. Here you can see that how much you get and where they distribute their token. Here you can see that an initial supply of the total max supply is 70 million, I hope. The total supply 70 million, I hope. So guys, it's a very good opportunity to purchase this token. You just need to click on this address and you need to send your TRX or USDT on that address, and you can purchase your token very easily. You can purchase your token very easily. So guys, it's a very good thing, very good chance for grab this token before the sale end, because they are listing their token 22 January, so less than 20 days left on your hand. So guys, if you want to purchase this token, you can purchase this token. I think before you purchase, you can also know some about this before you buying this token. So guys, if you have any inquiry, you can contact them via their email. So guys, it's a very good project, I think. So if you have any inquiry, you can also contact them via their Telegram. So guys, hope all of you are like this video. I hope all of you are invested in this token, because this token will be very bullish in future. So guys, that's all of my video. Hope everybody will purchase this token. Thank you so much to all of you. Thanks a lot.